Welcome back to Scratch Life. Today we are going to deal with the theorems related to the topic circles. Let us understand the first theorem that says equal chords of the circle subtend equal angle at the center. So let us take a circle. Suppose there is a circle with center O and it contains two chords that are of equal length. It is given in the statement itself, equal chords. That means a circle should have two equal chords. That means I am having a chord AB and I am having another chord CD. Suppose these two chords are there and AB is equal to CD. It is given that AB is equal to CD. If these two chords subtend the angle at the center, suppose AB is subtending an angle AOB at the center and CD is subtending an angle COD at the center, then the theorem says that these two angles are equal. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. This is the first theorem. Now theorem 2 says that if angles subtended by the chord of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. Suppose if I have a circle, then if two chords are there, suppose this is DE and this is FG. If two chords are there and they are subtending equal angle at the center, it is just the converse of the theorem 1 which we have studied just now. So, if these two angles are equal, angle DOE is equal to angle FOG, that clearly states that these two chords are of equal length. It will say that DE is equal to FG. DE is equal to FG. This is your theorem number 2. So, theorem number 3 says that the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. Suppose we are having a circle and we are having a chord in it. Suppose this is AB chord AB is there and the center to this circle is O. If I draw a perpendicular from this O onto this chord AB, suppose this OP is nothing but a perpendicular on this AB. OP is perpendicular to AB. Then the theorem says that AP should be equal to PB. Why? Because this OP is bisecting this chord. OP, which is the perpendicular from the center, bisects the chord. That means AP will be equal to PB. This is your theorem number 3. Now the theorem number 4 says that the line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. You are having a circle and you are drawing a line from the center. Suppose you are drawing a line from the center that is touching the chord and it is already bisecting the chord, then this particular line is perpendicular to this chord. This AB, OP. The theorem number 3 and theorem number 4 are converse of each other. That means if you are drawing a perpendicular onto the chord, it is bisecting the chord in two equal parts, and in theorem number 4 you are already having two equal parts and this line is nothing but the perpendicular onto the chord. So OP is perpendicular to AB according to theorem number 4. Theorem number 5 says that equal chords of the circle are equidistant from the center. Let us understand what does it mean. Suppose you are having a circle which is having a center O and it is having two chords. Suppose chord AB and again you are having another chord CD. And it is given that AB is equal to CD. You know that the length of AB is equal to CD. Then both these two chords AB and CD are equidistant from the center. That means the distance from center to this chord and the distance from center to this chord both of them are equal. Suppose this is OP and this is OQ. Then according to theorem number 5, OP is equal to OQ. Now if you are given with the vice versa of this particular statement, that is, if you are given that two chords are there which are at equal distance, suppose this distance is 5 units and this distance is also 5 units, and you are given in the data that the distance of this chord from the circle is 5 and distance of this one is also 5, then if these two units are same, then the chords will be equal. This is the statement of theorem number 6. That is, chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. These two theorems are very important. Now let us see some more theorems in our next videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.